One of the most important thing a woman can do to her hair is her daily routine at home. What we do in the hair salon is great and it restores and repairs the hair, but what you do at home can make or break your hair. If you're using products in it that over dry your hair, that could damage your hair long term. What we're doing right now is we're washing with our Nuuvo Nourishing shampoo. This Nuuvo Nourishing shampoo has keratin and botanical oils to protect and rebuild and rehydrate the hair that you have. The lather is a super subtle champagne bubbles, as I like to call them. They're not going to be extremely rich and lathery because we use a sulfate-free formula. That's really important. You want a gentle, gentle, gentle shampoo. Any type of harsh detergents can also strip away your very helpful natural oils in your hair. So we love a really gentle formula. Our formula is so gentle, you can use it on color, you can use it on chemically treated hair, you could even use it on extensions. So great formula, rich in nutrients, and definitely one that you want to have in your back pocket all the time.